O pare, sama ka ba sa party mamaya?
Oo pare, go ako dyan.
Nakapag-review ka na ba sa final exam tomorrow?
Di na kailangan. Bahala na si Batman. Enjoy life. Party all around.
Come on!
Senses telling me you're looking, I can feel it on my skin. Oh, I wonder what would happen if I trip and let you in.
Patay! Bagsak!
I'm sorry to inform you, but based on your academic performance, we have to send you out of the university.
Sinasayang mo lang ang oras sa mga bagay na di kailangan. Ang oras ay pahalagahan, pag-aaral ay pangalagaan. A friendly message from UP Masters of Development Communication.
Lately, I've been